Oh, I love box time! Let's play What's in the Box? Oh. Wow, they're still using that holiday stuff? Maybe they reused a box. There you go. Now I save all my packaging materials, so I think that's what you should do. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Questions, comments, concerns, that's the favor I asked for. Any and everything down below. Now then. Alright. This down a little bit. Oh wow, look at that. Wait! That is amazing! Here it is. This is the one all the kids are looking for. Oh, wow. And if you want to see the bottom, kids. Blue and yellow, there it is. Got my pointer here. So I've noticed with a lot of these boxes, you'll notice different things here on the side. Well, it's a shame it's got that there. That's cool, though. And then you'll have different numbers on some of them as well. For the different... I'm not sure if it's series. But look at that. It's Yellow Deadpool. He does exist. The box is in really nice condition. And you know, for the price that this dispenser is going for, you want to make sure that it is in really good condition. Now, it was a Hot Topic exclusive. Now, when it came out, the Michigan PEZ convention was going on. And people left the Michigan PEZ convention to go to Hot Topic for Yellow Deadpool. Unfortunately, a lot of them were pop blocked. It's a shame. It's a shame. Notice how I let it set? Yep, pop blocked. You do exist, Deadpool, and you have now entered the PEZ book. So until next time...